Go on Safari now. I'm on hold. Apparently you've got to call them up so they can log into your computer. Right, so you seen I got the Torqit exhaust a couple of weeks ago now. And I've got the Safari ECU on my car. There's different maps for different modifications on your car, so Safari can remotely log into my car and log into the actual computer from remote.
Correct, yeah. And that's another unique feature too. So the software for our unit is free.
And upgrade the map to change the tune, or upgrade the tune for the new accessories I've got on the car now. So essentially I'm enhancing the power because I've got more airflow, and we just make it better. And the fact that they can log in and do it remotely, how easy is that? Go on Safari now. I'm on hold. Apparently you've got to call them up so they can log into your computer.
You can't go past Safari 4x4 engineering. Hit those rough and demanding roads and tracks with peace of mind.
Hey again, Toby, it's Stephen here. I've just been emailing him this morning.
Hey, how you going?
Good.
Alright, we have an update to do on your ECU, I believe.
Correct, yeah.
Okay, so you've got TeamViewer and you've got M1 Tune on your
Correct,
laptop?
yes.
Alright, do you have TeamViewer open up?
Yes.
Okay, it should have a section where it says allow remote control, and then it'll say your ID and password.
Yeah, so the ID is 1135
Yep.
036
Yep.
949. And the password is 28W5GI. Here we are.
Alright, so I'll start by putting the file that will load onto it.
Yep. Show how easy the process should be.
Yeah, well, yeah, fingers crossed it should be pretty easy.
So the car's already plugged in and on.
Yeah, okay, yep.
So you should be able to get, once you get into it, should fire up straight away.
Beautiful. Alright, so that's the new package.
Yep. That's my VIN, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Yep. I will be blurring that out.
It's mainly done so that if, you know, if the ECU was removed off your car at some point and fitted to another car,
You can
without,
track it.
it basically means that we can track it and we can know that programming's loaded onto what car.
Okay, fair enough. Yep. All makes sense.
You know, if you took this off your car and put it into a stock standard car that didn't have the snorkel, didn't have the exhaust, it would have overfueling issues and, you know,
Yep.
blowing black smoke in it.
Yeah. So what's the main difference between, obviously, the difference now is I've got an exhaust, but before I didn't. What's the parameters that change from that?
There's quite a few parameters that get tweaked very slightly. So, boost response, fuel pressure, fuel injection, like the fuel injection curves, the length of the pulses. Lots of very minor
Okay.
adjustments get made to.
Yep.
It's not sort of one thing that.
Little tweaks make a big difference.
That's it. Well, that's done. That's got the new package loaded into it.
Brilliant.
So if you want to just start the car up to make sure that it fires up with no problem.
It starts. All sounds good. Fantastic.
Alright,
That's it, is it?
that's as simple as that.
Wow, that was actually really easy.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's all done. Just gonna clean this up so that we don't get mixed up in the future. Did you ever get a run through on how to take a log file out of the ECU?
No, I haven't, no.
No, alright.
Thanks, bud. Appreciate it.
Thanks, mate. Cheers.
Yeah. So there you go. That took like 8 minutes from start to finish. That's including waiting time on the phone. Can't get much quicker than that. That's pretty awesome. So probably heard I'm going to take a bit of a spin, let it do its log file thing, give him a call back, and he's going to show me how to like see what the log is, so that way I can actually look at it. If something goes wrong with the car, I can pull over and go, alright, cool, I can have a look at it and see what's going on. Let's go for a pearl. Alright, so just got back from the drive there, gave it a little bit of a boot. I didn't bother filming it because you guys know what driving's like, so what's the point? Nice and warm now. It's about a 15-minute drive. It's hot, hit some hills. Had some fun. It's good. It's wet outside. Feels like there's more power again. Like from when I put the exhaust on, so from standard to the Safari unit, massive difference. Absolutely like chalk and cheese from what the car was, what it is. Then from the R-Max to adding exhaust as well, it just felt like there was a lot more low down torque and just low down grunt just to get you going, which was, I was impressed with. I was pretty happy with that, just from an exhaust. Now I've got the tune to suit that as well. Wow, just wow! Like that low down torque is still there. It's probably a little bit punchier, but now top end as well. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh God, yes. It just keeps on going and going and going and going, and just wants to pull even harder every single time. Super impressed so far. So guy I was talking to at Safari said that if I go for a drive, come back, plug it back in again, ring it back up, and he's going to run me through how to work out what the logs are. So essentially I can see like the acceleration and all that sort of stuff. I won't explain it too much just yet because I don't exactly know. That's what he's going to be doing in a second, so let's make a phone call.
R-Max, our professionally engineered
On hold
system
again.
ensures stress-free towing, high performance.
He's going to call me back. Alright, well, I suppose we'll see if Safari calls me back. They should. They've been pretty good overall. The whole sales team and everything has been pretty good to deal with. Seen before with the upgrading the ECU, that was easy as to do. I just had to download 2 bits of software, which they sent me the links to in an email anyway, and took like 6 minutes or something to do. Yeah. Alright, wait for a phone call, then we'll do this again. Hold on a second. car decided to pick up.
Basically the first time.
Yep.
Here to retrieve log data.
Retrieve log data, yep.
Retrieve log data. Just like ECU. First time you use UPC, you've just got to disconnect those. Desktop, just make it easy. Then we're going to raise the data afterwards. It's 2013.
Yeah, yep. Yep.
Later. That's basically it. So, if you ever had any uncertainty about, you know, how it was running or wanted something checked,
Yep.
you can go online, retrieve log data, and then that will give you this file here that you'd email through to us,
Yep.
and that'll show us basically how the engine was operating over the last 20 to 25 minutes. So, it shows things like boost pressure, fuel pressure, exhaust gas temperatures, making sure that the ECU's having the right influence over the engine, the right engine speed and load. So
Yep. Right now. So,
quite a lot of useful stuff for diagnosing.
is there a way that I can view that stuff, or?
Is there a way that you can? No, there's no way that you can view the file from here. As it is, I can possibly, when I've just transferred it back here, so I could possibly take some screenshots, maybe,
Okay. Yep.
of it once it's opened up,
Yep.
and send them through to you.
Yep. Cool. Just so I can sort of see what sort of data it logs and how it looks
What
to
it
you
looks
guys.
like. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, I'll have to transfer that to a different computer here.
Yep.
To open it up.
Yeah. You can probably just email it back if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do that.
Awesome. All right. No dramas
Alright,
at
no
all.
worries. That's all done. So let me have a look at this, and we'll just make sure
It's running properly.
all looks good. Yeah. I'll send some. I guess you can get a screenshot or something sent through to you.
Beautiful. All right. Awesome. Appreciate it.
All right. Thanks, David.
Thanks, buddy. See ya.
See ya.
Well, that's a little bit disappointing. I was thinking I was going to get to see like percentage of throttle and sort of how the cars work for the last 25 minutes, is what they log for. And I'm just going to close this off for a second. Yeah, so I thought I'd be able to sort of look at it and see what it's doing, see what the EGCs have been for the car, and sort of check max like highs and lows and where the car's running. Normally, I thought that was going to be the case. Apparently not. I could probably do it live, because I did notice when the car was plugged in, it did have all that data on there that I could see. But that requires running a cable from the engine bay inside the car and the laptop there and looking at it when you're driving, which, if you're passenger in the car, it's alright, but not so much if you're a driver trying to do it. He did say he was going to send through some screenshots for me just to have a look and see what data that they are looking at and what they are collecting. But from what he was saying, unfortunately, as a user, we can't see that data for ourselves as a logged format, according to him. I do recall getting told that we could see that, but maybe not.
You know, you take a product out of a packet, you plug it into the car, and you go, I hope it's working.
Yep.
Right? We've developed a system where you can actually buy this, put it in yourself, and you can check your own installation at home with your own PC. Software for our unit is free.
Yep.
Any customer can download that, and they can also obviously view the ECU yourself. So you don't have to look at it, you can actually drive and then stop and then rewind it and view whatever you want to view.
Yep. That's awesome. I'll do a bit of further investigation on that one, see what happens. So that's mostly it actually, that's how to do it all. Hopefully it works out. If you like this sort of thing, anything 200 series or full driving, camping, fishing related, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Chuck a few comments below and tell us what you prefer, whether you like the Safari ECU or whether you prefer a Remap or other types of chips. I will say though, Safari has never tried to claim that their module is the most powerful tune out there. Never tried to claim that. Their claim to fame is the fact that it's one of the safest modules out there with reasonable power gains overall. It's a reasonable power gain and it's safe and reliable over time. You can get some Remaps out there where you're pushing out 240 kilowatts at the wheels, easy as. But realistically, how long do they last and what warranty do they come with to warrant that sort of stuff? Where Safari gives it to you in writing, drivetrain warranty, engine warranty, and they've been around for years, so they're going to have good products. Well, I reckon they've got a good product anyway. Any questions, queries or anything, chuck them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them all. Other than that, see you in the next one, guys.